Hi friends, today I show you how to install WordPress in PHP. First of all, we have download WordPress from wordpress.org. There we will go, and here is link download WordPress. I have already downloaded WordPress. This is a WordPress setup. Now we have copy WordPress zip file and paste in your xampp folder. Go to the xampp htdocs. Here we will be create new folder WordPress PHP and paste here WordPress zip file. After we have extract here, and all content copy and paste here. Now run xampp server. Don't forget it. xampp start Apache, start MySQL. After we run on Chrome, localhost WordPress PHP. After we have continue and choose state English. Let's go. Your database name. We will need database name, username, password, database host. First of all, we need database. We need to create database. Go to localhost, your PHP admin, and here we will create new database PHP and create. Okay. After we have copied WordPress PHP and we will paste username. My username is root, password is blank, database localhost, table prefix WP. Now we have submitted. Run the installations. Okay. Informations. Site title is test. Username. Enter username of your WordPress admin. Password is choose enter any your password. Admin 123. Okay. Confirm use week. Yeah. Your email ID is ksng. Okay. Install WordPress. Yeah. WordPress has been installed. Okay. Now tested for login. My username is admin and I have choose the password. My password is admin123. Okay, yeah, that's great. Okay, now we have checked my site. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video.